In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card payments on Big Cartel. This process is essential for anyone running a store on Big Cartel because it opens up more payment options for your customers, making it easier for them to make purchases and for you to make sales. Let's dive into the steps. First, head over to Big Cartel's website. It's the go-to platform for artists and small businesses seeking free and easy online stores. You can simply open your browser and navigate to bigcartel.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. You'll likely spot the login button easily, as it should be prominently displayed on the home page. Click on this button to move forward. Now type in your shop URL and password on the login page. This step is straightforward, just ensure you've entered the correct details to avoid any login issues. Once you have your shop URL and password typed in, click the login button. This action will take you right into your Big Cartel dashboard, which is the hub for managing every aspect of your store. From your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the account section. You'll usually find this option in the menu, and it's crucial as it's where you'll manage your payment settings. Click on account and then go to get paid. This section is dedicated to managing how you receive payments from your customers. Within the Get Paid section, you'll see an option to set up your payment options. Go ahead and click on Set up your payment options. This is where you'll configure the settings for credit card payments. You'll be presented with a couple of different options for payment processors, and today we'll focus on setting up Stripe. Select Stripe as your payment processor, which is one of the most popular options for handling credit card transactions securely and efficiently. To connect Stripe, click on the Connect Stripe button. This will initiate the linking process between your Big Cartel account and Stripe. Follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account if you already have one, or create a new Stripe account if necessary. It's important to complete all required fields to ensure successful integration. Once you've connected Stripe, ensure that it's set as an option for credit card payments on your store. This step is crucial because it allows your customers to use their credit cards via Stripe whenever they make a purchase